Diwali to all my dear listeners who are sitting just out there. In the age of globalization, Diwali's global reach is a testament to the power of culture, unity, and the human spirit. Diwali is the festival of lights, transcends borders, and brings joy to millions around the world. Today, we'll explore the incredible global reach of Diwali and how this vibrant celebration spreads happiness across continents and cultures. Prepare to embark on a thrilling exploration of Diwali, the radiant festival that ignites the world with joy and light. In this captivating journey, we'll uncover the extraordinary global impact of Diwali and how it kindles happiness across the globe. Get ready to be enchanted by the worldwide resonance of Diwali. Stay tuned for a fascinating journey into the worldwide significance of Diwali in the voice of Pranita Sharma. Diwali, the festival of lights celebrated with great enthusiasm and fervor in India, has transcended geographical and cultural boundaries to become a globally recognized and celebrated festival. Its historical and cultural significance is rooted in various traditions and legends. As we witness Diwali's worldwide celebration, it reminds us of the enduring human connections that transcends borders and backgrounds. The reach of Diwali extends far beyond the Indian subcontinent and it has found its place in various parts of the world. This festival's ability to spread happiness and fostering intercultural understanding is a testament to the values it represents. Here's a brief overview. Number 1. Cultural exchange. Diwali celebrations in different countries provide an opportunity for cultural exchange. In places with diverse communities, people from various backgrounds come together to appreciate the traditions, customs, and cuisine associated with Diwali. This cultural exchange promotes understanding and harmony among different groups. Number 2. International recognition. Many countries and organizations have officially recognized Diwali as a significant cultural and religious festival. For example, the United Nations has declared Diwali as an international holiday, emphasizing its importance in promoting peace and harmony. Number 3. Diverse celebrations. The way Diwali is celebrated varies across the globe. In countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia, people of Indian origin as well as those from other backgrounds participate in Diwali festivities. They light lamps, exchange gifts, and enjoy traditional Indian sweets. Number 4. Interfaith understanding. Diwali serves as an occasion for interfaith understanding and cooperation. It is not limited to Hindus but is celebrated by Jains, Sikh, and some Buddhists as well. Interfaith gatherings during Diwali encourage dialogue and respect among different religious communities. Number 5. Economic impact. Diwali has an economic impact beyond India. It is a peak shopping season in many countries due to the exchange of gifts and the purchase of festive items. Local business benefit from the increased consumer spending during this time. Number 6. Education and awareness. The global reach of Diwali has also led to increased awareness of Indian culture and traditions. Educational institutions, museums, and cultural organizations often host events and exhibitions related to Diwali, allowing people from various backgrounds to learn about its significance. Number 7. Symbol of light and hope. Diwali's universal message of light overcoming darkness and good conquering evil resonates with people worldwide. It serves as a symbol of hope and positivity, which is particularly relevant during challenging times. In conclusion, Diwali's global reach is testament to its universality and the values it represents like love, compassion, unity. It has become a bridge for cultural exchange, interfaith understanding, and the celebration of diversity, spreading happiness and fostering a sense of global unity. It serves as a shining example of how traditions and celebrations can connect us all, irrespective of our differences, and remind us that we share a common humanity. Diwali, the festival of lights celebrated with great enthusiasm and fervor in India, has transcended geographical and cultural boundaries to become a globally recognized and celebrated festival. Its historical and cultural significance is rooted in various traditions and legends. Here is a brief overview. Number 1. Victory of light over darkness. Diwali symbolizes the triumph of light over darkness and good over evil. It commemorates the return of Lord Rama, his wife Sita, and his loyal brother Lakshman to Ayodhya after defeating the demon king Ravana in the epic Ramayana. The lighting of lamps and candles signifies the removal of darkness and ignorance from our lives. Number 2. Goddess Lakshmi's blessings. Diwali is also associated with the worship of Goddess Lakshmi, the Hindu goddess of wealth and prosperity. People believe that by performing rituals and lighting lamps, they can invite her blessings into their homes, ensuring financial well-being, abundance. Number 3. New Year celebrations. In some parts of India, Diwali marks the beginning of a new year. It is considered an auspicious time to start new ventures, clear debt, and set financial goals. The festival is seen as a time for new beginnings and resolutions. Number 4. Harvest Festival. In rural areas, Diwali is often celebrated as a harvest festival. It marks the end of the agricultural season and the beginning of the winter season. Farmers express gratitude for the bountiful harvest and pray for a prosperous year ahead. Number 5. Historical and mythological significance. Apart from the Ramayana, there are other legends associated with Diwali in the state of West Bengal. It is celebrated as Kali Puja, honoring the goddess Kali. In Jainism, Diwali marks the day when Lord Mahavira, the 24th Tirthankara, attained Nirvana. Sikhs celebrate Diwali as Bandichor Divas, commemorating the release of Guru Gobind Ji from imprisonment. Number 6. Festival of Togetherness. Diwali is a time for family unions and strengthening social bonds. Families come together to exchange gifts, share meals, and celebrate the joy of being with loved ones. It promotes a sense of unity and harmony within communities. Number 7. Return of Lord Rama. According to the epic Ramayana, Lord Rama, an incarnation of the god Vishnu, returned to his kingdom after 14 years of exile and vanquishing Ravana. People lit oil lamps to guide him on his way and to celebrate his return. In summary, Diwali is celebrated for its spiritual, cultural, and social significance. It's a time for reflection, gratitude, and the pursuit of light and prosperity in both a material and spiritual sense. The specific customs and traditions associated with Diwali may vary from one region or community to another, but the overarching theme of celebrating goodness and abundance remains consistent. As we draw the curtains on this enchanting journey, it's clear that Diwali is not just a festival, it's a universal celebration of light, hope, and happiness regardless of where we are in the world. The spirit of Diwali unites us, reminding us that joy knows no boundaries. So let's keep the flame on of happiness burning brightly in our hearts and continue to share the radiance of Diwali with the world. Together we can make every day as luminous as the festival of lights. Once again, wishing you all a happy Diwali. I want to express my heartfelt thanks for the opportunity to contribute to this project and express my deep appreciation for the trust you have placed in me, and it was incredible rewarding experience. Thank you to all our worldwide listeners for tuning in. It's been a pleasure sharing with you. Until next time, take care and stay connected. Have a wonderful day ahead.